How to fix your Windows license will expire soon error on Windows 10. If you met Windows license will expire soon error on your Windows 10 PC screen, try the following troubleshooting tips. 1. And then restart Windows Explorer process via Task Manager. 2. Run the slmgr/ Command, Plan B, slmgr rearm, as admin. Other options. Web. 1. First, check the type of license installed on your system. Open Administrative Command Prompt. Type slmgr/dlv and press Enter key. Write down the product key channel section Windows script host box. Note, if it mentions OEM method, you've OEM license installed. If it says retail, you've retail license installed. If it mentions GVLK, volume_method, then you've volume license installed. Note that GVLK stands for generic volume license key. 3. Open local group policy editor via gbedite.msc. Navigate to computer configuration administrative templates Windows components Windows update. Enable no auto restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic updates installations. 4. Disable Windows License Manager service. 5. Run the following command as admin, Path Software Licensing Service get OA3X original product key. Then launch change product key under Windows 10 settings. 6. Backup existing registry settings, run the following command as admin, Reg Add HKLM Software Policies Microsoft Windows NT Current Version Software Protection Platform /v nogen ticket /t reg _ d word /d1 /f. 7. Deactivate then reinstall Windows Product Key. 7.1 Uninstall Windows Product Key. Run the following commands as admin. slmgr.vbs /dlv slmgr.vbs /dlv all 7.2. Reinstall Windows Product Key. slmgr/ipk Windows Product Key 8. Rebuild the tokens.dat file. 8.1. Rebuild the tokens.dat file in Windows 10 8. Run the following commands as admin. netstop spp svccd %winder% /service profiles /local service /appdata /local /microsoft /ws license ren tokens.dat tokens.bar net start spp svc script.exe %winder% /system32 /slmgr.vbs /rilk reboot your PC later. 8.2. Rebuild the tokens.dat file in Windows 7. netstop spp svccd %winder% /service profiles /network service /appdata /roaming /microsoft /software protection platform ren tokens.dat tokens.bar net start spp svc script.exe %winder% /system32 /slmgr.vbs /rilk reboot your PC later. Remember, run script.exe %winder% /system32 /slmgr.vbs /ipk as admin. 9. Run the Windows 10. Try updating to the current build using the ISO 11. Sign out from the current user account, restart the PC and log into the either administrator account or the Microsoft account to check. 12. Contact Microsoft Product Activation Center by telephone.